Science is a journey of discovery, a relentless pursuit to understand the universe and our place within it. From space to the human brain, each endeavor unveils new wonders and expands our horizons. Today we stand at the cusp of a new frontier, synthetic biology. This field is poised to revolutionize our world. Synthetic biology is about engineering life. It empowers us to write the language of life itself. Imagine eradicating diseases by rewriting genetic code, growing sustainable food, fuels, and materials using engineered organisms. This is the promise of synthetic biology, blending biology, engineering, and computer science. As we journey deeper into the 21st century, synthetic biology emerges as a powerful tool for shaping our future. Synthetic biology can be understood as the practice of applying engineering principles to biological systems. It treats biological components like DNA and proteins as building blocks that can be redesigned, combined, and assembled to create new biological functions not found in nature. This groundbreaking approach aims to engineer biological systems with enhanced capabilities and predictable outcomes, much like how engineers design and build machines. At the heart of synthetic biology lies the concept of genetic engineering, but it goes far beyond simply modifying existing genes. It involves the design and synthesis of entirely new genetic sequences, creating organisms with novel traits and functionalities. One key principle of synthetic biology is standardization. This involves creating standardized biological parts, like specific DNA sequences that code for desired functions, which can be easily assembled and reused in different systems. Finally, predictability is a core aim of synthetic biology, where the behavior of engineered biological systems is designed to be predictable and controllable, ensuring desired outcomes. Synthetic biology's roots trace back to the 1970s with recombinant DNA technology. This allowed the production of valuable proteins like insulin in bacteria. The Human Genome Project, started in 1990, aimed to map the entire human genome. Its completion in 2003 provided tools for synthetic biology. In 2010, the first synthetic cell, SYN 1.0, was created, marking a pivotal moment. Synthetic biology holds immense promise for revolutionizing medicine and healthcare. Its applications in medicine are diverse, ranging from developing novel diagnostics and therapeutics to engineering cells for targeted drug delivery. One of the most impactful applications of synthetic biology in medicine is gene therapy. Gene therapy involves replacing or inactivating faulty genes that cause diseases with healthy ones. Synthetic biology allows for the precise engineering of genes and delivery systems, making gene therapy safer and more effective. Scientists are exploring gene therapy for treating a wide range of diseases, including inherited disorders, cancer, and infectious diseases. Another groundbreaking application of synthetic biology in medicine is the development of mRNA vaccines. This technology was instrumental in the rapid development of safe and effective vaccines against COVID-19, demonstrating the transformative potential of synthetic biology in addressing global health challenges. A greener future. Synthetic biology's role in agriculture and the environment. Synthetic biology offers innovative solutions to agriculture and environmental sustainability. By engineering organisms to produce biofuels, biofertilizers, and biodegradable plastics, we can transition to a sustainable bio-based economy. Biofortified crops resist pests, tolerate harsh conditions, and enhance nutrition. Synthetic biology also aids in bioremediation, cleaning pollutants and restoring ecosystems. Ethical considerations in synthetic biology. The potential benefits are immense, but ethical considerations must be addressed. Concerns include risks, unintended consequences, and ethical implications. Misuse of synthetic biology is a major concern. Safety protocols and regulations are crucial. Access and equity are also important ethical considerations. Section 7. The societal impact of synthetic biology, a paradigm shift. The advancement of synthetic biology is poised to have a profound impact on society, transforming various sectors and influencing our way of life. From healthcare and agriculture to manufacturing and environmental remediation, the applications of synthetic biology will touch upon nearly every aspect of human endeavor, ushering in a new era of innovation and progress. One significant societal impact of synthetic biology will be the transformation of healthcare. The development of personalized medicine, gene therapies, and novel diagnostics will revolutionize how we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. This will lead to longer, healthier lives and could potentially eradicate some of the world's most debilitating diseases. The impact of synthetic biology on agriculture will be equally transformative. By enhancing crop yields, reducing reliance on pesticides and fertilizers, and developing climate-resilient crops, synthetic biology can help address food security challenges and promote sustainable agricultural practices. Section 8. The economic promise of synthetic biology, a new bioeconomy. Beyond its societal impact, synthetic biology is also poised to revolutionize the global economy, driving the emergence of a new bioeconomy. This bioeconomy will be characterized by the sustainable production of bio-based products, from fuels and materials to pharmaceuticals and chemicals, using engineered organisms and biological processes. The synthetic biology industry is rapidly growing, attracting significant investments and creating new job opportunities in research, development, manufacturing, and commercialization. As the technology matures and the applications expand, the economic impact of synthetic biology is expected to grow exponentially, transforming traditional industries and creating entirely new markets. Governments worldwide are recognizing the economic potential of synthetic biology and investing in research and development initiatives to foster innovation and competitiveness in this field. Section 9. Synthetic biology and the future of humanity, challenges and opportunities. Synthetic biology has the potential to reshape the future of humanity, presenting both unprecedented opportunities and significant challenges. As we continue to unlock the secrets of life and harness the power of biology, it is crucial to proceed with caution, responsibility, and a deep understanding of the potential consequences of our actions. One of the greatest opportunities presented by synthetic biology is the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. From combating climate change and ensuring food security, to eradicating diseases and developing sustainable energy sources, synthetic biology offers innovative solutions that could significantly improve the quality of life for people around the globe. However, the power of synthetic biology also comes with significant risks. Section 10. The importance of public engagement, shaping the future of synthetic biology. As synthetic biology continues to advance and its impact on society grows, it is crucial to foster open and informed public dialogue about the implications of this transformative technology. Engaging the public in discussions about the ethical, societal, and environmental implications of synthetic biology is essential for ensuring its responsible development and application. Public education and outreach programs play a vital role in raising awareness about synthetic biology, its potential benefits, and the associated risks. By providing accurate and accessible information, we can empower the public to participate in informed discussions and decision-making processes related to the development and regulation of synthetic biology technologies. Furthermore, it is essential to establish mechanisms for public input and feedback throughout the research and development process of synthetic biology technologies. Section 11. Conclusion: Synthetic biology, a catalyst for change. In conclusion, synthetic biology stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. This groundbreaking field has the potential to revolutionize our world, offering innovative solutions to global challenges in healthcare, agriculture, energy, and environmental sustainability. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to unlock the secrets of life and harness the power of biology, it is essential to proceed with caution, ethical awareness, and a deep understanding of the potential consequences of our actions. Open dialogue, robust regulations, and continuous public engagement are crucial for shaping the future of synthetic biology in a manner that benefits all of humanity. By embracing the opportunities presented by synthetic biology, while acknowledging and addressing the associated risks, we can harness this transformative technology to create a healthier, more sustainable, and equitable future for all.